word to the wise, if you want to wear a shoe within a certain amount of time, don't order off Nocta's website. You're not going to get it for like 3 weeks. Bye, man. As you can see, mission accomplished. We got the Nocta exclusive colorway of the Nocta Glide. Nothing changed from the last Nocta Glide other than the colorway. These are a lot brighter than I anticipated. Whew. So we have the Nocta Glide in that crimson colorway. Yeah, the sizing is the same as the black pair. You still get that heel slippage, which is weird because if I go down to 11.5, I know these will be too tight. So I'm not sure what's up with that. But other than that, man, get your true size in them or whatever size that you got from the previous pair. All right, back to the review. So I would assume that these fit exactly the same, but if anything was different, you know, I made a notation on the on-foot portion of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, these are definitely bright. I'm not a big fan of the speckled midsole. You know, I'm just nitpicking right now. And that was just like a solid midsole. It would have been better in my opinion. But I mean, it doesn't really take away from the shoe. You know, I just have to give my critique. I like the translucent, I think it's like a smoky black translucent outsole, and you still get the yellow pods, which don't really make sense to me for this particular colorway. Like the first one, of course, fire with the yellow pods, but this it's not the same. They should have been black or something. I don't know. But you do get those chrome hits on the alien eyes on the side. If you know, you know. But yeah, it says Nocta. I think it's different from the black version because you couldn't see the Nocta on the pods, but now you can. You still get the carbon fiber on the pods on the midsole. Anything different that I can think of? Looks like it's a long plastic material going up the upper. I'll be right back. Okay, so that's definitely different from the black version because the black version, that material was nubuck. And on the red or the crimson, it's more of like a rubberized material. So that's definitely different. Other than that, from what I can see, everything is the same aside from the color placement. So you get that black jewel swoosh. You get that crimson woven material on the upper with the mesh. Then you get the black hits. Like, this is one of those shoes, man. Definitely gonna make a statement. Like, whatever you choose to wear with these, don't have to do too much because the shoe is going to do all the heavy lifting for that fit. Like I said, the only thing I'm really not a fan of is the speckled midsole, but I'll get over that. But I do like the chrome hits on this shoe. I feel like over time, the more you wear them, these will get scuffed. So definitely be mindful of that if you bought the shoe or you plan on purchasing the shoe. I wouldn't wear them that often if you want to keep them in good condition, because I know for a fact that chrome is going to start chipping the more you wear them. But yeah, you can't go wrong with a red and black shoe, or in this case crimson. I definitely didn't expect it to be this bright. I'm not even sure if the brightness is really coming through in the camera. But yeah, it's a clean colorway. I didn't know that these were Nocta exclusive. I know the white version dropped, and I was gonna try to get those because I don't have any all white shoes. But these just popped up like 30 minutes before the release, as an exclusive. So I was like, yeah, I'd rather get the red and black over the all white. And these are like readily available. I guess like I'm the only person in the world that wears a size 12 that actually likes the shoe, because the shoe in general, not just the colorway. Every site that sold them still has a full size run, more or less. So I don't know why I don't like this shoe. You know what I'm saying? It's clean, simple, you know, nothing too crazy. Definitely, like, hands down better than the first Nocta shoe that Drake dropped. So, like I said, I would definitely get a few more colorways of these because it can't get any better. The next version that I seen of these, I'm not a fan of. So, if you want a pair of Drake shoes that actually look wearable, you might want to go ahead and hop on these Nocta Glides, man. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Simple, straight to the point, you know, red, black, or crimson. Got the yellow, like a throwback Atlanta Hawks. But yeah, let me know what you think. I know, like I said, a lot of people don't like these, but of course, I buy what I like, so I don't listen to the crowd. For the most part, anyway. I appreciate y'all for watching.